Today I am here to share the unboxing of sketchbooks that I ordered a few days back. Hello to all art lovers. I am Pushpa. Let's do the unboxing and no more. I received this parcel from Amazon today. These are acid-free archival, perforated and wire-bound sketchbooks from Brustro for dry media. These books have toned paper and are amazing to work with. Papers in these are mostly recycled, containing post-consumer, bark and craft fiber. The paper is mostly smooth and has visual texture that makes the drawings pop and look more interesting and visually appealing. This A5 size black sketchbook consists of 40 sheets and 80 pages. Has smooth surface that pops colors and holds ink liners without feathering. Comes in 200 GSM paper. Measuring 148 centimeters into 21 cms is its ideal for color pencil, gel pens, metallic colors, gouache, charcoal inks, acrylic paint markers. You can create magical effect with metallic whites and glitters. Kraft sketchbook consists of 100 sheets, 200 pages and having 100 GSM paper. These mid-toned paper are excellent for creating highlights, shadows as well as different tonal values. Measuring 148 centimeters into 21 centimeters is best used for pastels, chalk, graphite, gel pen, color pencils and charcoal. Gray sketchbook consists of 60 sheets, 120 pages and having 120 GSM paper. These mid-toned paper are also excellent for creating highlights, shadows as well as different tonal values, best used for pastels, chalk, graphite, gel pen, color pencils and charcoal. Measures 148 centimeters into 21 centimeters. Hope you find this information useful. Do let me know of your experience in the comment box if you have already used these, or you have any questions about these. I would love to share my views. And love you hear yours.